Hi everyone, Janie here. Welcome back and a big welcome to Christy from Between Two Shrubs.
Thank you.
So I did a garden tour video of your school, your kids' school that you and your friend Shelly have completely done over.
Yes.
But what you didn't tell me during that tour was how incredibly amazing your home is.
Thank you.
So thanks for letting us be here today.
Yes. Welcome to my crib, as they say on MTV.
Right? When did you guys move into this house?
So we moved to El Dorado Hills 10 years ago from Roseville. And when we bought this house was like a scary, haunted-looking house. I mean, the color, everything.
Really?
Oh, we've gutted this from the floor up.
It is stunning right now. It is absolutely stunning. My jaw dropped when I pulled up. Aww. So how would you describe? I mean, is this mid-century modern?
I would say I've been told it's called a mid-mod.
Mid-mod. Okay.
Yes.
I love it. I love it. But I just have to say, the plant selection you've chosen is just so cool. So maybe if we can come over here and show some of these, because you really leaned into the cactus, succulents, kind of the dry garden type of thing, right?
Yes. Because I can't kill them.
Good.
I would say that was one of my reasons for doing this.
Yeah.
And oh my gosh, you guys, there's $20 bill right here.
What?
I've been looking for this money that I lost, and I just...
I thought you were joking and you like planted it.
I'm really serious. I'm serious, you guys. I lost $60. There's plenty of it.
Okay, well, keep an eye out for another $40.
Yeah, right? Okay, so I kind of went with this landscape because when I lived in Roseville, I used to commute to Folsom, and I used to drive by this house, and this lady had a yard similar to this.
Yeah.
Decomposed granite, cactuses everywhere, and I was like, when I own my house, I want to have a yard like that.
I love it.
So it's
beautiful.
And I've just collected these throughout everywhere. I mean,
knowing you, this is so you. Like, this seems like you. You know what I mean?
Totally, it is.
Very kind of like quirky, but really modern. Very, very cool. So I know you probably don't know the names of all these cactuses, but what would you say is your favorite one here?
My favorite one is probably this one over here. These ones. I love these types of the euphorbia.
Oh, yeah.
These ones and then those ones over there.
Beautiful.
It's kind of funny is that people always ask me, why do you have these in your front yard? People will steal them. Because
really?
I guess they're worth a lot of money.
Are they?
I guess.
We probably shouldn't say that. Well, we won't let anyone know where you live. But
yes. And
are they worth a lot? Like how much?
Oh, this is probably $150 from here down. Like,
no.
Just look at Green Acres. I mean, it's crazy. I mean, other places, the Cactus Jungle in Berkeley, I love going there. I've never been there, but it's all cactuses.
Yeah.
So a lot of my stuff is from there. And then I would say these right here.
What is that?
From San Diego.
Oh, yeah.
These are from an estate sale that you'll see in my backyard. These are babies from it. And those are probably my two favorite cactuses.
And these are, you said mangave or agave?
Agave.
They're
like a type of agave. Yes.
And then I see you have a very furry one over there.
Oh, yes. This is my grandpa cactus right here. I'm not exactly sure what his name is.
It needs a little bit of a shave or something.
Yes, he does. But he's special.
This is very cool. Now, how much time do you spend in your front yard versus your backyard?
I try to spend, I hardly get any weeds. You can ask Shelly. I hardly ever have weeds.
Okay.
So I am out here raking. I call vacuuming my DG maybe once every 3 weeks. So I just sweep it and rake it, all that kind of stuff.
Must be nice.
I know, right?
It looks gorgeous.
Yes.
It looks really beautiful.
So our next plan is we're going to rip this out and do like a metal retaining wall and level this out, because when you get out of your car, you step onto the rocks.
Yeah.
This was kind of ran out of money type of situation, trying to do makeshift with what we could.
We all have those spaces in our garden.
Yes.
Right? And you just throw some rocks over it or throw some, in my case, free wood chips, right?
Yeah,
and it totally works.
Yes.
Well, this is really cool, and I especially love that you have like seashells kind of all over the place. How fun.
Those are from like we travel quite a bit, so some of them are from Cape Cod and just kind of all over, and I just kind of throw them out. They're good little fertilizers too.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
All right, well, I have to say, like, I don't want to negate how beautiful your front yard is, but your backyard.
Oh, that's my showstopper.
Her backyard is an absolute joke.
Thank you.
Like,
that's my magazine backyard.
Absolutely. So let's go take a look at the backyard. Oh my goodness.
So this is like a true California living. Like this door over here opens up too, so you can come all the way through.
This is absolutely stunning. So let's get a pan of the whole backyard, because it's literally like a resort. And if you ever put this on Airbnb, I would completely take over and come and hang out here. You've got this beautiful pool, a fire pit area, a little sitting area. what is that, a sauna over there?
It is, yeah. My husband uses that every night.
Oh my goodness. And then of course you've got your veggie garden and everything. It's just beautiful. And then you have a beautiful borrowed view of this back. I mean, this is just so gorgeous. So is this what all of El Dorado Hills looks like?
Kind of on and off, kind of. I mean, it depends on what neighborhood you're in. So our neighborhood that Shelly and I live in, like, this is the oldest neighborhood. This was where all the, like, this is where all the money was back in the day, before Serrano was even an area.
Okay.
Like the doctors and lawyers and all those kind of people lived in this neighborhood.
Okay.
So they're all custom, all old.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's really beautiful, and there's quite amazing views as well. Do you entertain?
I do.
My goodness.
We are big entertainers, and we like to do that California outdoor living. So we have dinner here every Sunday night with my kids, and I eat breakfast here on the weekends with my kids. And
this is amazing. This is absolutely beautiful.
I don't set it this pretty, but when my friends come over, I do. Shelly's been to some of my parties. I love a good tablescape, and
it's gorgeous. And even this is good. This is your little kitchen area.
Yeah. So my husband built that as well. And he built this nice shelf for his Weber grill here.
Oh my goodness! Yeah. So your husband's really good with wood.
He is, yes.
Woodworking and stuff like that.
I don't understand why we have all these mechanisms to barbecue with. I don't eat meat. I will dabble, but I'm like, what do we do with these? But
you could barbecue veggies.
Yeah,
right.
Totally.
Something like that.
Yes.
So your main floor is on the second floor.
Yes.
Second story, basically.
Yes.
And so that's where you guys are mostly. But then downstairs, that's where the pool and the hot tub and all your plants are, which is beautiful.
And this one we bought, we redid this whole staircase because it was a straight shot down where you could really fall.
You could hurt yourself if you tripped or something.
And that's another one of my agaves that are
gorgeous.
Babies of these guys.
So how often do you water the agaves?
Probably some of them are on a drip line, some are not. I would say maybe three, right with the heat, maybe 3 times a week.
Okay.
But I try not to water them. These are from an estate sale.
Oh my gosh.
And they were tiny. And so if these pass away, I will be so sad. So I take care of these babies like they're my children.
You have showed me pictures before, and I've seen pictures, and you're saying how much you love these.
Yeah.
And it's hard to see how beautiful they are in pictures.
Huge, too.
They're huge. They're massive.
Yeah, those are my total babies. And then these are the other 2. So there was 5 little ones. The estate sale. So think about our neighborhoods. There was a lot of older people that lived here, that built here years ago. So a lot of them are moving off because a lot of these houses, like my house is 4 levels.
Yeah.
A lot of people, they can't live in these
hard.
homes. Yeah, so younger
hard.
families move in, which is really cool, and they have estate sales all the time.
Don't you love getting things
I do.
From Facebook Marketplace and estate sales and things? I love getting things like that because they're so much more meaningful than just getting it at the,
going to a store. I mean, there's certain things you'd buy at a store, a bed, a couch, things like that.
Sheets or something.
Yes.
I see your aeonium. This is absolutely gorgeous. I would like some cuttings of that when it
absolutely.
grows.
And then this was a clearance plant that I bought, and I literally was a baby, and this is also my pride and joy here.
Is it one that I can touch?
You can touch it, yeah. So when you're in LA, like Southern California, these are everywhere, especially in Venice Beach.
Really?
Where I very first saw one, and then she grew a little limb. So we have another little leg on the side.
Do you have any idea what this is
I
called?
don't. It's a type of succulent.
Oh,
but
it's so gorgeous.
Isn't it cool looking?
It's so pretty. It is so. What an interesting planting that you have here.
Well, it didn't look like this to start. So there is some jade in here, and these, when you have these and they have the beautiful purple flowers in the spring. The springtime here is when it really goes out.
Spectabulous. That's called spectabulous.
Okay.
Yeah,
because it is spectacular.
It is spectacular.
I think that's a great name. And we had to build this shape of pool because this massive rock goes under like this.
Whoa.
So we wanted a rectangle. But yeah, so I've kind of honed in.
Look at how big this rock is.
Isn't that crazy?
So this is El Dorado Hills, Granite Bay.
Yeah.
You guys, there's rocks everywhere, and you're just building around the rocks, which I'm actually kind of jealous because I have to bring my rocks in because we don't have any rocks.
Is your soil pretty soft out there?
Pretty soft. Yeah.
Okay, this is not. This is like you need an auger.
Yeah. This is great. But so that's cool. You had to build around the pool or around the rock. Were those rocks brought in?
These rocks were all kind of here, and they cemented them all in.
Dang, this is cool.
So we were very limited on and this was all one level.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Wow, you guys have done an amazing job in just 10 years. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
This looks like you've lived here for 20 years or something like that.
Yeah, I want it to be my sanctuary. When I'm not traveling, I feel like I'm traveling. Does that make sense? That's my master.
Oh my gosh, that is amazing.
Yeah, so I literally come out this door right here, hop in my bed. hop in my hot tub.
My goodness. And then you said your husband uses the sauna every single night?
Yep, every single night and sometimes in the morning. So there was a time we used to sit in the sauna, the hot tub together and talk. And then now it's just me by myself looking at him in the sauna because I will die if I go in there.
Because he wants to go in the sauna. That's amazing. But how fun. Yeah, I don't think I would, especially during the summer, I don't think I would want to go in the sauna.
He still goes in it for about an hour and reads every night.
Oh my goodness. He just wants to sweat everything out.
Yeah, and it's just so relaxing. You know, he's a pretty stressful job, so it just kind of helps with that.
How fun.
Yeah.
Tell me about this fire pit. This is incredible.
I know. I wish I could turn it on, but I'm kind of scared of it.
Don't
but it just has, so Casual Elements did this in Rancho Cordova.
Okay.
And they, I had a patient of mine who had one of these made, and I was like, I didn't want like a fire pit that the pool company made, like, you know, like a generic, like a stone. That's not my jam. Yeah. I saw this in Sunset Magazine. I wanted a stone bowl, so they created this for us.
This is incredible.
Yeah. So when it goes, I mean, it's pretty stunning. And then these are my fairly new chairs from IKEA, which are so comfortable.
How fun!
And I had some really cute zebra pillows coming, but they'll be here today.
We can imagine the zebra pillows.
Imagine the zebra pillows.
It'll match with your floaties and your umbrellas.
Black and white.
It's very, very cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so tell everybody about what this fence is right here.
Okay, so this is snake fencing. In this area, we're 9B, we get rattlesnakes. And this has been a lifesaver. I have yet to have one this year. I need to knock on wood, but my counterpart has had several. So she has a rattlesnake fence as well. It just depends, I guess. Like, we had our gate closed off. We paid this rattlesnake guy to come and do the gate.
Yeah.
And I haven't had one since that. So I'm usually thinking they're coming through the gate. It's freaky. It's pretty scary.
That's just, I can't even, you guys, when you came to my house, they posted a video on their channel. By the way, if you haven't checked out the Between Two Shrubs YouTube channel, check them out. They're just getting started, but it's absolutely incredible. You guys came to my house and you kept saying, do you have rattlesnakes? Do you have rattlesnakes?
I know, I was surprised.
No, I don't. But also, it doesn't look like this. It's all flat and no rocks, no places for rattlesnakes
them to hide.
Yeah. There's plenty of places.
And we have deer that frolic here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's the most beautiful thing. Right now there's a lot of babies around too. So you have a mom and a baby and they'll just traipse on through.
Do the deer ever come in here?
I have not had that happen yet. No.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
But
knock on wood.
I will say I had a little thought about just my problem area. Like, we all have problem areas.
Yes.
This was my area I cannot figure out. So I lost 2 plants and I just replaced them. And I have tried so many different plants here, hydrangeas. So I'm hoping to go with just the lamandra. That's like gonna grow big and beautiful. I just want it to be full and lush. Right?
Yeah.
It's
funny. My mom, right on the side of her pool, is her problem area, and she ended up doing lamandra. And that's what worked.
Okay, cool.
Was the lamandra, So I think you're on the right track with that.
And I always wonder, like, does the, the pool water, the chlorine, have anything to do with whatever is not working? So that's good to know.
Yeah. Or maybe when they were digging out the pool, they left, concrete and stuff over there.
Did you see my Vago hose right there?
Oh, no. You have a retractable hose.
I do.
How do you like it?
It's life-changing. I can't live without that thing.
Oh, fantastic. I haven't tried that one. I have the Hose Link one, but that one I've heard lots of good things about that one, for sure. Okay, what do you call this area over here?
Which area? My little seating area?
Your little seating.
That's my little seating cabana. That's my pool cabana.
So you
don't really have a lot of shade out here during the afternoon sun. And so my husband built this. And
your husband?
And these chairs. So we just kind of come out here and just chill and just relax and watch a little TV.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice the TV in here.
Yeah.
Do you know what this reminds me of?
What?
Palm Springs.
Yes, that's what I wanted it to feel like. You're my Palm Springs vacation home.
Palm Springs. It's like Parker Palm Springs, 100%.
Yeah.
And I love Parker Palm Springs.
Yeah.
Oh, this is incredible. So your husband made this.
Yep, all of it.
This is really impressive. And
I covered the couch cushions, if you're wondering.
Oh, I'm impressed.
Duct tape underneath. Don't flip them up.
Good job.
Yeah.
And then this, you said this is your beautiful rose garden. Tell me about this.
Okay, so in San Diego, many, many moons ago, another lifetime ago, there was a woman that we'd always walk by her house, and she had a rose garden, and she had the labels. And I'd see her out there, like, cleaning and doing things, and I would think to myself, gosh, she's so nerdy. Like, what is she doing? And then here I am at 45. I have a rose garden, and I absolutely stopped by, like, look at those roses, Shelly. Those are amazing.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Where's
And
your
I'm
labels?
like,
You need labels.
I'm
like
getting
she
there.
has.
These are fairly new. I have the paper labels still on. I bought them all at Green Acres, and yeah, they're doing really good. They're doing really good. They're a little high maintenance.
And you said there used to be a tree here?
There used to be a huge oak tree here.
Aww.
And living in this area, you have to get the oak tree approved. You have to have an arborist come out and say that it's dead or what it's going to be dead.
Oh,
yeah, it's a big ordeal. So yeah.
Well, growing up, we had a giant oak tree in our front yard, and it ended up falling over in a storm and totally smashed our car and almost smashed our house. So it's a good idea to get a dead oak tree removed, because I can see what can actually happen.
No, for sure.
Are these Vigo?
Those are not. Those are actually from Target.
Oh, what?
Yes.
Oh, that's
and I
incredible.
always pass those on to people. They're a great deal, and they're basically...
They're beautiful.
They're amazing.
They're beautiful.
So this is my favorite plant, the Crispidia.
I love this plant. I love this plant. And then you have these dried.
Yes, and they'll last like months. I have them all over my house.
No, they'll last longer than months. I've had mine for like years that I've dried.
I'm so excited.
These are so you. These are like, these are so you. These are so cute.
Just a bowl of it. I'm trying to grow straw flowers. I don't know if she's getting that much water back there, so
yeah,
I'm working on it.
I've actually never grown straw flowers.
And those are flowers you can dry too. I have them in my bathroom.
Yeah, beautiful. And then you've got tomatoes.
Those are all my tomatoes.
Looks fantastic. Nice big ones. Yeah. This reminds me more of the school garden that you guys do. If you haven't watched that video, watch that video, because it's just absolutely incredible. And they have tons of tomatoes. And what did we name? Blanche?
Oh, yes.
How's Blanche doing?
Blanche has a lot more friends now.
Does Blanche have some? Blanche is
she's our
squash.
And now Blanche has probably 15 friends.
Nice.
Yes.
I like it.
She's living her best life over there.
And then tell me about these beautiful things back here.
So these are from Scribner Bend. My sister used to work in a tasting room, and they were getting rid of and planting new grapes, and they were going to throw these away. No. And I'm like, my husband and I got like 40 of them. Oh. And then we ended up giving them away to people. And we wine taste for sport. We belong to like 12 clubs through California, and that's what we do for fun. But why not? That fits our personality.
That's stunning. That is so beautiful and such a natural, beautiful decoration. I love it. Yeah. And you said you used to have these in your home?
I used to have them in my kitchen above my cabinets.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
They were really pretty.
Really, really gorgeous. Yeah. Well, I have to say, this is just absolutely stunning, and I wish you had told me to come earlier. You were like, yeah, I have a nice backyard. You can come and see it. And it's like, no, this is absolutely, absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
And then after this, we're going to go tour your counterpart, Shelly's garden as well.
Who also has an amazing garden, and it's different.
Yes. Yeah, you guys are yin and yang for sure.
Yeah.
Well, I just want to say thank you so much. This is absolutely, absolutely beautiful. You guys, you have a special touch when it comes to gardening. I don't know what it is. You guys make it so fun, and then you're so good at it. So, like I said, make sure you check out the Between Two Shrubs YouTube channel. I will link it down below, as well as your Instagram. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope you all have a chance to get in your garden today.